Hey guys, welcome back with me again on this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add these cool glitch effects on your videos using the CapCut PC. So if you want to have a cool glitch effects for your videos, you can easily use CapCut for that. First, you can just add your videos into the timeline, and then you can just head to effects. Go to the video effects, click on this drop down to see the category, and then you'll find the glitch category. So in CapCut there are lots of glitches effects that you can add to your videos. You can see there are lots of options that you can use, so I'm going to try some of them. For example, let's try this 70s glitches. You can download it first if it's your first time. To see the preview, you can just add your cursor or your mouse to the effects and it will turn the preview, or you can just click on this plus icon. So this is the 70s glitches. Let's try another one in here. Let's try this color glitch. Again, download it first and then tap on the plus icon. This is the color glitch. Okay, for the next one, let's try the chromatic. Click on the plus icon. So this is the chromatic. And let's try last one. Let's try the this one, snow glitch. Okay, so this is the snow glitch. It's look like an old TV, so you can just choose which one. I think I'm going to go with the snow glitch and I'll delete the rest of them. Here for the effects, you can always adjust it again by going to the spatial effects details. In here you can adjust these chromatic aberration, the noise. I'm going to lower it a bit, and the range I'm going to increase it to around 40. Okay, so now this is the snow glitch effect. You can try on your own to apply to your videos, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.